Hello everyone and welcome to our guide on implementing Azure Virtual Network, your gateway to secure and scalable cloud networking solutions. Whether you are new to Azure or looking to deepen your understanding of VNets, this guide is designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. So before jumping into the technical details, let's quickly cover what Azure Virtual Networks are all about. Imagine them as the backbone of your Azure infrastructure, providing a secure and isolated environment for your resources to communicate. Implementing Azure Virtual Network is a fundamental step in building a robust and secure cloud infrastructure within the Azure ecosystem. It provides a flexible and scalable networking solution that enables organizations to connect with their Azure resources over network traffic and security policies. Now, the objective of this lab is to design and implement Azure Virtual Network to establish a secure and scalable cloud environment. Creating an Azure Virtual Network lets you securely connect and manage your resources in the cloud. Now, let's consider a short scenario. NextGen Tech Solution is a software company who's moving its operation to the cloud to make things more flexible and affordable. Now, their IT team is building a virtual network on Azure to create a secure and scalable cloud environment. Let's see what they need to do this. Now, these are the requirements that a company wants for its VNet. It will help this company to create, manage, and optimize Azure Virtual Network, enabling them to build a secure and scalable cloud infrastructure. So let's move towards the lab. So do you want to enhance your infrastructure using Azure's VNet? Then join our demo on creating a VNet to improve scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. Also, you'll learn how to optimize your on-premises environment with Azure. For exclusive content and demonstration, visit our website.